Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, Your Excellency, Prime Minister, Right Honorable Raila Molo Odinga, governors and leaders, na watu wa Homa Bay, hamjambo. Your Excellency, we've been here for the last 2 days. We've been having conversations with the private sector, conversations with the leadership of the BMUs, and the BMUs are here from across. Asanteni sana, because they are key stakeholders in this sector. Before I say just 2 or 3 things, I'd just like to acknowledge the leaders who are here, the members of the National Assembly, tafadhali, Honorable Martin Owino, Ward Chief, our PS, Karen, our Eliud Owalo from the DPS, asante sana, Honorable Kajwang TJ, Senator Beatrice Ogola, Honorable Adipo Andrew Okwome, our whip in the National Assembly, Honorable Millie Mabona, Honorable Dr. Lilian Gogo, Honorable Bensuda, Honorable Karoli, Honorable Area MP, Honorable Pito Pondokaluma, PS for Medical Services, Dr. Luga, Dr. Raymond Omolo, and the entire team that is here, PS Ahari Kimtai, PS Betsy Njagi, Sinyangala, Beatrice, asanteni sana for making time to be here with us. Our majority leader in the county assembly, together with members of the county assembly. My deputy governor, His Excellency Joseph Oyugi Maguang. We are all here, Your Excellency, for this conversation. Your Excellency, first I'd like to thank you and Baba for allowing this year's Madaraka Day to be celebrated here in Homa Bay County. On top of that, there couldn't be a more fitting theme than the blue economy and maritime affairs to be discussed in Homa Bay, because 80% of Kenya's Lake Victoria is here in Homa Bay. In our conversations, first, when you came here in 2023, we discussed about the Homa Bay Pier, which had been here and broken down. And we're happy that today, after this, you will be opening a brand new pier here in Homa Bay on the matter of maritime affairs, including a brand new fish market that has cold storage that can store fish actually from across. Even traders can pick it from here and take it with them wherever they are going. So that is very, very good progress. There's also the Lake Victoria Ferry, which is currently under development, which will ply the Lake Victoria route. On the partnership between Temboya University and the Kenya Shipyard, which will work on training. This is the Blue Economy University, and we are happy that the of excellence will be right. Excellency, as I finish, we agreed that today our stakeholders are going to leave here with practical solutions and certain key things. One of them being security of our fisher folk on the lake, Victoria. Second of it being sustainability of our fishing on the lake, including how to complement it and how to make it possible for us to have fished yesterday, to fish today, to fish tomorrow, and for our children and great-grandchildren to continue to fish. Third of it is on the area of how our fisher folk can be supported to be able to survive. And what they've done, which I'm happy with, is they've set up, among the 143 BMUs, they've set up a SACCO, which we have supported as the county government and could also use some support so that they're able to get the correct fishing gear and everything else. Your Excellency, finally, is the issue of value addition to our fish. Because we have private sector partners like Victory Farms doing a very good job. And we could use more fish processors so that when we get our fish out, we're able to process it here and sell it out there. Your Excellency, those were the conversations that we had. And we said that this conference must be by the people, for the people, and making sense to the people. Allow me to thank your minister, Uyu Hassan Ali Joho, because we didn't just come and sit in this hall. When he came together with his peers and the team, we went kwa mashinani. Tumeenda Ngeri huko beach. We have gone to the beach here in Achich to support our farmers practically. Allow me to introduce my colleague governors, Governor James Bob Agri Orengo, who is seated in the room, just to wave for now, and also Governor Professor Peter Anyang' Nyong'o, who is also in the room. I'm sure there will be some time, and also our ministers, CS John Mbadi and CS Opiyo Wandayi. Nimechukua kazi yote. Asante sana. Thank you.
Asante. Your Excellency, huyu governor amechukua kazi yangu yote. She broke